41 years down the line since the creation or establishment of Waimapuru as an institution, na osem yumi lukim na all the houses, dormitories, staff houses, and all the classrooms hem barwa rust na and torn down. Very huge repairs na hem needed. One of our key issue where hem prevail over the years hem is water. Water continue to be a major problem for the school, where hem disrupting classes, hem make them students late for the school organized programs because they have to clean up, wash. So hem one for a big issue through, and we will be looking forward for any more assistance from the national government and the key donor partners, Blo Yumi, for assisting school or the area where Mifal Barwa need him. But yes, this for the moment, me like taking this opportunity on behalf of the school board, and the Ministry of Education for acknowledging the support rendered to the school from the Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock, in particular the Minister. Minister, as I've said in my speech, hem no first time blow him for come to school. We were very surprised that when he entered Parliament as a member, more so as a minister, every time him to Alomakira, him always visiting school, whether it be on private tours blow him or family blow him, or in his capacity as a minister, him always spare him time to visit the school. And so we are really, really happy, and we acknowledge him presence blow him and the gift him give him, and we will continue to acknowledge him because he's always here for us. I think I would also like to take this time too for thanking the current government of the day, National Unity and Transformation, for making agriculture or strengthening agriculture again as the backbone of the country. From that one, him trickle down, and we were able to receive this very important and valuable gift. Thank you.